Liver-supportive nutrition. Essential food choices that can protect your health naturally. Most people rarely think about their liver until something starts going wrong. But the truth is, your liver is one of the hardest working organs in your body. Every day, without you even noticing, it filters toxins, processes the food you eat, balances chemicals, stores nutrients, and helps keep your body energized and functioning properly. Imagine working 24 hours a day without rest. That's exactly what your liver does. Unfortunately, modern lifestyles filled with processed foods, sugary drinks, stress, alcohol, lack of sleep, and unhealthy eating habits can slowly overwork the liver. Over time, this can lead to fatigue, poor digestion, fatty liver disease, inflammation, and other serious health problems. The good news is that your liver is incredibly resilient. In many cases, simple lifestyle and nutrition changes can help support and protect it naturally. And it all starts with what's on your plate. In this guide, we'll explore the best foods for liver support, habits that can strengthen liver function, and common mistakes that silently damage this important organ. Understanding why the liver is so important. Your liver sits quietly on the right side of your abdomen, doing hundreds of important jobs every single day. Most people only associate the liver with alcohol, but its responsibilities go far beyond that. 1. Your body's natural filter. Think of your liver as your body's built-in cleaning system. Everything you eat, drink, breathe, or absorb eventually passes through the liver. Its job is to identify harmful substances and help remove them safely from the body. Without the liver, toxins would quickly build up in the bloodstream. 2. It helps turn food into energy. After you eat, nutrients from food travel to the liver where they are processed and distributed throughout the body. Your liver helps manage carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. It basically acts like a control center for nutrition. 3. The liver also handles fat. Your liver plays a major role in breaking down fats and producing cholesterol that the body actually needs for hormones and healthy cells. But when unhealthy fats and excess sugar build up over time, fat can begin accumulating inside the liver itself. This condition is commonly known as fatty liver disease. And surprisingly, it's becoming more common, even among younger people. Top signs. Your liver may be struggling. One tricky thing about liver problems is that symptoms often appear slowly. Your liver can tolerate a lot of stress before obvious warning signs show up. But your body may still give subtle clues, such as constant tiredness, low energy, bloating after meals, brain fog, poor digestion, frequent headaches, skin problems, difficulty losing weight. These symptoms don't always mean liver disease, but they may suggest your liver needs better support. Best foods for liver support. Now let's talk about the foods that truly help the liver thrive. These foods are packed with antioxidants, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and healthy compounds that help reduce inflammation and support the liver's natural detoxification process. 1. Leafy green vegetables. Examples include spinach, kale, arugula, and Swiss chard. Leafy greens are some of the best foods you can eat for your liver. They contain chlorophyll, a natural plant compound that may help the body neutralize toxins and support cleansing processes. They're also rich in fiber, which supports digestion and helps the body remove waste more efficiently. Adding more greens to your meals doesn't have to be complicated. Even a simple salad, smoothie, or side of cooked spinach can make a difference. Your liver loves greens. 2. Cruciferous vegetables. This group includes broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. These vegetables contain sulfur compounds that help activate liver enzymes responsible for removing toxins from the body. Broccoli, in particular, has been linked to reduced fat buildup in the liver. Many people overlook these vegetables because they're not always exciting, but they can be incredibly powerful for long-term health. Sometimes the healthiest foods are the simplest ones. 3. Fatty fish. Examples include salmon, sardines, tuna, and mackerel. Fatty fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help fight inflammation throughout the body, including the liver. Inflammation is one of the biggest contributors to liver damage over time. Omega-3s may also help reduce liver fat levels and support healthier cholesterol balance. Even eating fish a few times a week can provide noticeable benefits for both liver and heart health. 4. Garlic and onions. Garlic may be small, but it's packed with powerful natural compounds. It contains sulfur compounds that help activate liver detoxification enzymes. Some studies even suggest garlic may help reduce fat accumulation in the liver. Onions provide similar benefits and also contain antioxidants that support overall immune health. Besides helping the liver, garlic and onions add incredible flavor to meals naturally, without relying on unhealthy sauces or additives. 5. Citrus fruits. Think lemons, oranges, limes, and grapefruits. These fruits are loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants that help protect liver cells from damage. Lemons are especially popular because they support hydration and digestion. Grapefruit contains natural compounds that may help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver. Starting your day with water and lemon may not be a miracle cure, but it can be a refreshing, healthy habit. 6. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and cranberries are packed with antioxidants. These antioxidants help protect liver cells from stress and damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. Berries also help support immunity and healthy digestion. And honestly, they're one of the easiest healthy foods to enjoy because they naturally taste good. Healthy eating doesn't always have to feel boring or restrictive. 7. Nuts and seeds. Walnuts, almonds, flax seeds, chia seeds, and sunflower seeds all provide healthy fats and nutrients that support liver health. Walnuts are especially beneficial because they contain omega-3 fats and antioxidants. Vitamin E found in nuts may also help reduce inflammation associated with fatty liver disease. Just remember, moderation matters. Nuts are healthy, but they're also calorie-dense. A small handful is usually enough. 8. Whole grains foods. Like oats, brown rice, quinoa, and barley provide fiber that helps regulate digestion and blood sugar levels. Unlike refined carbohydrates, whole grains digest more slowly, helping prevent spikes in blood sugar that may contribute to fat buildup in the liver. Oats are especially beneficial because they contain compounds called beta-glucans, which may help reduce inflammation and support immune health. Swapping white bread or refined grains for whole grains can be a simple but powerful change. 9. Green tea. Green tea contains antioxidants known as catechins, which may help improve liver function and reduce fat accumulation in the liver. Drinking green tea regularly may also support metabolism and overall health. The key is keeping it simple. Too much added sugar can cancel out the benefits. 10. Olive oil, extra virgin. Olive oil is one of the healthiest fats you can include in your diet. It contains healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and support heart and liver health. Using olive oil instead of heavily processed oils can be a smart long-term choice for overall wellness. Sometimes small kitchen changes create big health improvements over time. Foods that quietly harm the liver. Just as some foods support the liver, others slowly damage it when consumed too often. 1. Sugary foods and drinks. Soft drinks, candy, pastries, and excessive sugar intake can increase fat buildup in the liver. Many people don't realize that sugar can be just as harmful to the liver as unhealthy fats. Too much sugar forces the liver to work harder, converting excess sugar into fat. 2. Fried and processed foods. Fast foods and highly processed snacks often contain unhealthy fats, excess salt, preservatives, and chemicals. Over time, these foods increase inflammation and place stress on the liver. Your body may tolerate them occasionally, but constant consumption can create long-term problems. 3. Excess alcohol. Alcohol is one of the biggest enemies of liver health. Heavy drinking can cause inflammation, fatty liver disease, hepatitis, and eventually liver scarring known as cirrhosis. The liver can recover from some damage, but only if it's given the chance. 4. Why hydration matters. Water may sound simple, but it's incredibly important for liver health. Your liver depends on proper hydration to help flush toxins and transport nutrients throughout the body. Many people are chronically dehydrated without realizing it. Sometimes fatigue and headaches are made worse simply because the body needs more water. Staying hydrated is one of the easiest ways to support overall health. Healthy habits that support the liver. Food is important, but lifestyle matters too. 1. Exercise regularly. Physical activity helps reduce liver fat, improve circulation, and maintain a healthy weight. Even walking daily can make a difference. You don't need a perfect fitness routine to improve your health. Consistency matters more than perfection. 2. Get enough sleep. Your body repairs itself during sleep. Poor sleep increases stress and inflammation, which can negatively affect the liver over time. Quality sleep is not a luxury. It's part of good health. 3. Manage stress. Chronic stress affects hormones, digestion, inflammation, and overall health. Simple habits like prayer, meditation, deep breathing, or spending time outdoors can help lower stress levels naturally. Your emotional health also affects your physical health. 4. Common liver detox myths. Many products online claim to cleanse or detox the liver quickly. But here's the truth. Your liver already detoxifies your body naturally. You don't need expensive detox teas or extreme juice cleanses. What your liver truly needs is healthy food, hydration, exercise, sleep, less alcohol, consistent healthy habits. Real health is built daily, not through quick fixes. When to see a doctor. Some symptoms should never be ignored. Seek medical attention if you experience yellowing of the eyes or skin, severe abdominal pain, swelling in the abdomen, dark urine, persistent nausea, extreme fatigue. These could be signs of serious liver disease that require professional care. Final thoughts. Your liver works incredibly hard every single day to protect your body and keep you healthy. The choices you make daily, what you eat, drink, and how you live can either support your liver or slowly damage it over time. The good news is that small healthy habits truly add up. Eating more greens, drinking more water, reducing processed foods, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep can make a major difference. You don't need perfection. You just need progress. Because when you take care of your liver, you're taking care of your entire body. Subscribe, like, comment, and share for more health education videos.